Yes, you are. You're such a big help. I know.
Haley loves Daddy.
Haley loves Daddy a lot.
Here comes Squirt. He loves Daddy.
Here comes Move it. Rusty, you cleaning him up?
Like too much mushing for
You
me.
cleaning him up, huh, buddy?
Oh, here comes Storm's gonna help Daddy. Here comes Bambi.
I got so much help.
I know.
You check
Rusty's not helping.
Rusty's not happy with this.
No, Rusty's not happy with any of this crap going on.
Haley. Stuart, here. Come here, little boy.
What you call a passel of pups.
Ouch! Don't bite.
That's a love bite.
Don't bite.
Love bite.
Don't bite.
It's love bite, Daddy.
Keep kicking. This is not getting the sanding done. This is not getting it done.
A lot more fun though, isn't it?
Okay. Don't you bite.
Let's face it, he's got a bitey dog. He's a bitey dog.
You're getting all cleaned up, Rusty. You're getting all cleaned up. Here, little boy. Oh, come here. This little boy. Yes, you will. Here's another. Here's another.
Rusty, be nice.
This is what you call passel of puppies. I got it.
That's what you call bath.
I got it. I got it.